It's just such a great, well-rounded, full circle pizza. It has everything in it.
I could not see operating our company without this platform.
It's a priceless commodity. I live and breathe in it every day that I work.
We are a third-party property management. We deal specifically with outdoor hospitality, glamping properties, your typical campground that you might think of in any setting. We also do consulting in that arena as well. Most of our clients, they kind of range from mom and pop who maybe have one property and they just don't have the time or the knowledge to operate it, or we have some owners that have a chain. So we've got chain owners with anywhere from 3 to 11 properties, and we'll manage the entire operations, the day-to-day operations. We also can handle their marketing. We do accounting. Like, we're full service in that arena as far as management goes. We were in a growth spurt with our company, taking on additional properties. And previously we had tried to disseminate information individually. So we would talk one-on-one with our GMs at locations and provide policies, procedures, things of that nature. And it just got to be overwhelming. The time commitment needed to do that, the consistency that's required, especially as you take on more properties. You need that ability to have everybody on the same standard policies and things like that so we can make sure everybody is doing the same thing. And that's when the need kind of arose. We really saw a need specifically in the liability realm, like getting some safety training, just having a platform that we could track training. People had gone through their SOPs and were advised of all policies and things like that.
We were expanding by adding properties, and some of our properties were small and some of the properties had over 400 sites. So we started growing Trainual based on some of the things that maybe wasn't at a lot of the properties, but as we were growing, we realized we needed more departmental training and supportive documents for those areas.
When we're soliciting new clients, it is something that we use as a benefit of our company that not many other companies have. Our forms are in there, all of our procedures, all of our policies are in there. So it's nice for us to be able to share that with our clients.
It's so enhanced with what we use and how we use it. It makes it easier for adding those premium courses, because if it's specific to a department, I've got it programmed, set up in specific groups. So I can just click the group and everybody's going to get that training immediately. Back in the day, our operations guideline manual was printed and it was about 8 inches tall and it had all the colored tabs for all the departments and everything in that. So building out the Horizon Field Guide on Trainual, that binder is embedded in us of how everything that worked behind that and all your forms and everything were behind each tab. And then the beauty of everything electronically is if we have to change something, we can enhance it, we can change it. I can jerk one out, put a new one in, go up and hit the settings and save changes. And it goes to everybody immediately to their email, that which they can click it and take them right to what changed.
Just the consistency and the ease of rollout, so many time-saving elements when you're using the Trainual platform.
Everybody love the search bar and love the fact that it keeps their training track in place so that they don't have to retake or restart over from the beginning. It's just such a great, well-rounded, full circle pizza. It has everything in it. And we empower them with this tool to be independent. That way they're not bugging us. And I said, and here's where I want you to get a hold of me. Are you looking for something that you might be keyword searching that is not pulling it up for you? Then I can probably tell you what it's called. So we empower them and we have all the tools in their toolboxes on this platform.
I could not see operating our company without this platform.
It's a priceless commodity. I live and breathe in it every day that I work. I'm always doing something on the Horizon Field Guide and Trainual platform.